The project Smart Bamboo Water Tower with GSM-based water level indicator, initiated by Northeast Center for Technology Application and Reach, Nectar, in collaboration with Ramakrishna Mission Ashrama Sohra, was inaugurated by Sri W. L. Nari, SDO, Shillong, and Sri Marbot Lawai, Executive Engineer Water Resources, on the 15th of August 2022 at Ramakrishna Mission Ashrama Sohra in the presence of officials from Nectar and RKM. The Smart Bamboo Water Tower is designed to harvest water from the atmosphere, for example, rain, fog, dew, etc., providing an alternative water source for communities that face challenges in accessing drinkable water. It is a passive vertical structure that can be designed using locally available materials and functions by natural phenomena such as evaporation, condensation, and gravity.